Hello Chhatra Mitro. In this video you will learn fourth lesson of history class 6 English medium Maharashtra board. Let's watch to learn. Welcome in Sync Creation PK classes. Please subscribe and press the bell icon and set all to get notification of our new video. You will learn summary and question answer in the fourth lesson, the Vedic civilization. Let's start with the main point of the test book, the Vedic civilization and summary. The Vedic civilization. To know the Vedic civilization properly, we have to study the following topic which are given above. Number 1, Vedic literature. Number 2, family system, day-to-day life. Number 3, agriculture, animal husbandry, economic and social life. Number 4, religious ideas. Number 5, political system. Number 1, the Vedic literature. Vedic literature is its real treasure of literature because of it's a very rich, diverse, which is composed in Sanskrit. The Vedas are considered to be our earliest literature, which were composed by many sages or rishi. Vedic literature consisted of the following. Number 1, the four Vedas, the Rig Veda, the Yurveda, the Samveda, and the Atharvaveda. Number 2, Brahmanas, Aranyakas, and Upanishad. Number 3, great epic Ramayana and Mahabharata. Point number 2, family system, day-to-day life. Joint family system was prevalent in the Vedic period. Most of the people lived in earthen or wattle and down houses, and these houses were called grah or sala. Point number 3, agriculture, animal husbandry, economic and social life. Agriculture and animal husbandry were the main occupation of the Vedic people. There are 4 Varnas or classes in the society, and a Varna was determined by the occupation of the people. In the later period, the Varnas came to be determined on the basis of the birth. This gave rise to caste, and the caste system led to inequality in the society. Point number 4, religious ideas. The Vedic people put offering into the Yajan fire. Here the Yajan is a Sanskrit word which means Yajna Havan, to please the force of nature such as the sun, wind, rain, lightning, storms and rivers. Vedic compositions pray them to become giving force. According to Vedic people, Yajan was an important ritual leading to importance of the priestly class. Point number 5, political system. In the Vedic period, known as following. Point number 1, the head of a village known as Gramni. Point number 2, a group of village known as Vis. Point number 3, the head of the Vis known as Vispati. Point number 4, several Vis formed known as Jan. Point number 5, when the Jan settled known as Janpad. Point number 6, the head of the Jan or Janpad known as Nrip, Raja, King. Summary of the Vedic civilization. Point number 1, the Vedic civilization. The Vedic civilization that is based on the Vedic literature is known as Vedic civilization. Point number 2, the Vedic literature. The most remarkable feature of the Vedic civilization is its rich and diverse literature composed in Sanskrit. The Vedic literature consisted of the following. Number 1, the 4 Vedas, the Rig Veda, the Yajurveda, the Samveda and the Atharvaveda. Point number 2, Brahmanas, Aranyakas and Upanishads. Point number 3. Great epics Ramayana and Mahabharata. Point number 3. The family. Joint family system was prevalent in the Vedic period. The Grihapati was the head of the family. The family was Patrichal, Lopamudra, Gargi, and Maitreyi were great scholars. The position of women became secondary in the latter period due to stringent social restrictions. Point number 4. Day-to-day life. Most of the people lived in earthen or wattle and doud houses. Houses were called grih or sala. Their diet mainly consisted of cereals like wheat, barley, and rice. They used cotton and woolen garments. They also used walkals, cloths made from bark of trees. They wore strings of flower and beads strings and golden ornaments. Niska, a golden pendant, was popular. It was also used as currency. Singing, playing musical instruments, dance, and board games were their means of recreation. Their musical instruments were the veena, the sat tantu, cymbals, conches, the damru, and the mridang. Point number 5. Occupations. Agriculture and animal husbandry were the main occupations of the Vedic people. The agriculture techniques improved later. The oxen were used to plow the field. Cows were used as means of exchange. The horses were harnessed to the chariots. Increase in agricultural production led to the emergence of other occupations such as poetry, carpentry, and chariots making. The artisans and the professionals had their srenis guilds. Point number 6. The Varna system. There were 4 varnas and classes in the Vedic society. They were Brahmanis, Kshatriya, Vaisya, and Shudra. The ones were based on the people's occupations. Later, they were determined by the birth. This gave rise to the caste system and led to inequality in society. Point number 7. The ashram system. The ashram were a systematic arrangement of an individual's life from birth to death. An individual was expected to go through 4 stages or ashramas in life. These stages in life were: number 1, Brahmacharya ashram; number 2, Grihastha ashram; number 3, Vanprastha ashram; and number 4, Sannyas ashram. Point number 8. Religious ideas. The Vedic people offered prayers to the forces in nature such as the sun, the wind, the rain, the rivers, lightning, and storms that secure their blessings. Yajna was an important ritual leading to importance of the priestly class. The Vedic people observed that nature followed definite and regular patterns. They termed this as Rita. Point number 9. Political system. Gramani was the village headman. Bispati was the head of a group of village. Vagdud collected taxes. Nrip king was the head of the Janpad. He was assisted by the Senapati and Purohit. Sabha, Samiti, Vidat, and Jan provided guidance to the king. Chhatra Mitro, now it's time to question and answer from textbook. Let's answer the question. The following. Number 1. Women as scholars in Vedic literature. Gargi, Maitreyi, and Lopamudra. Means of entertainment in the Vedic period. Singing, playing musical instruments, dance, and board games. Number 3. The 4 ashrams. Brahmacharya ashram, Grihastha ashram, Vanprastha ashram, and Sannyas ashram. Question number 2. Right or wrong? Number 1. Rig Ved mantras and uttered during yajan. Answer wrong. Number 2. Samved guidance on singing a mantra during yajan rites. Answer right. Number 3. Atharva Ved. The Ved derived its name from Atharva Rishi. Answer right. Question number 3. Answer in one word each. Number 1. The language of Vedic literature. Answer Sanskrit. Number 2. The meaning of Ved. Answer to know. Number 3. The head of a family. Answer Grihapati. Number 4. The head of Shrenis. Answer Shreshthi. The following the musical instruments you know. Number 1 harmonium, number 2 guitar, 2 modern ornaments of women, number 1 bangle, number 2 necklace, 2 days means of entertainment, number 1 television, number 2 adventure sports. Number 5 answer in short. Number 1 what foods were included in the diet of the Vedic people. Answer number 1 barley and rice were the staple food of the Vedic people. Number 2 their diet also included milk, yogurt, ghee, fruits, cereals and meat. Question number 2. Why were cows prized highly? Answer. Point number 1. Milk and milk products were important items of the diet of the Vedic people. Point number 2. Cows was a means or commodity of exchange. Therefore, cows were highly prized. Question number 3. What was a man expected to do in sannyas ashram? Answer. Point number 1. Sannyas ashram was the fourth and last stage in the life of a man. Point number 2. At this stage, man was expected to sever all worldly relation and spend his time in meditation by going away to the forest. Question number 6. Write notes on. Question number 1. Religious ideas during the Vedic period. Answer. Point number 1. The Vedic people offered prayers to the forces in nature such as the sun, the rain, the rivers, lightning and storms to secure their blessings. Point number 2. They made ritual offerings to the fire to secure favor from the forces in nature. Point number 3. This ritual offering of heavy into the fire was called yajan. Point number 4. The Vedic people believed that all things in nature follow rita, that is a definite pattern. Point number 5. They believed that religions means to follow the rules of nature as any violation thereof leads to natural calamities. Question number 2. Houses in the Vedic period. Answer. Point number 1. Most houses were earthen or made of wattle and down. Point number 2. Walls were made of wooden strips daubed with clay mixed with cow dung. Point number 3. They called their place of dwelling as grih or sala. Question number 3. Political system in the Vedic period. Answer. Point number 1. Gramni was the village headman. Point number 2. Vishpati headed Vish, a group of village. Point number 3. A number of Vish constituted Janpad. Point number 4. Nrip, king, was the head of the Janpad. Point number 5. The king appointed a number of officials to assist him in state administration. Senapati and Purohit were the most important officials of the king. Point number 6. Baghdut has appointed to collect revenue. Point number 7. Sabha, Shamiti, Bidat, and Jana deliberated on state affairs and provided guidance to the king.